everyone. So today we are going to pick back up on our Clean With Me after Thanksgiving. So we are in the girls' room. You can say hi, it's okay.
Hi.
Where'd the other one go? She ran away. She ran away.
Hi.
There she is.
I was just putting 3 socks in the laundry.
That's a good place to put them. And we have a thumper in the hallway. So today, while the girls are tidying, it's actually like afternoon. Matt and I spent the morning in the office, but that's for a surprise that you will get later. So the girls are going to be tidying up their beds and making them. We kind of had a relaxing morning. Somebody made a really good breakfast. So the girls are going to be working on their beds. I'm going to be tackling this because this one's grown. She grew. So we're going to clear out clothes that are too small for her and start shifting clothes down. We're going to organize this. We're going to organize, and the top's not actually too bad for us. We're going to organize that a little bit. That's a bag of sandals. We're going to organize that a little bit. We're taking out like any spring clothes and putting them in the closet in the toy room because, you know, that way we can still have them for spring. But we're going to clear out all the too small stuff. We're going to organize the shoes. They get to keep one pair of flip-flops out in the winter for like wearing either around the house while they're cleaning or like just a quick grab and go for when it's actually warm.
I found a spider.
Ew, no spiders in your room. So we're going to work on organizing and doing a clean with me of their room, and let's get that started. Next thing we're going to do is this side of the closet has the tags on it. So what we're going to do is we're going to pair them up for 2 weeks out, and also, you know, make sure we have holiday outfits when we need them. We got a couple things coming up next 2 weeks to pair holiday outfits with, and then we're going to finish up that side, and then we'll be done with the clothes and move on to doing the shoes. We are done with organizing the closet. They've tried all the clothes on. All of these are now tagged for 2 weeks, which is so super helpful. And then these are their clothes that are not tagged for just to have laid out for other occasions and just their extra clothes. The next thing we're gonna do is, I'm gonna turn you around here, is they have dressers right here. So this one right here is Rebecca's, and then Madeline's, and then Sarah's. And so the next thing we're gonna do is clean off the top of those and clean out the drawers and get them organized. And then whatever Rebecca is too small for Rebecca, we donate. And then whatever's too small for Sarah goes to Rebecca, and whatever's too small for Madeline goes to Sarah. And then if Madeline needs anything, or if the other two need anything that's not like hand-me-downs, we put it on a list, and then we get it as we go. What are you doing?
Cleaning off my dresser.
She's a little eager to get started. Rebecca's dresser is completely done. The only ones we have left are Madeline's and Sarah's. Madeline was helping make dinner with Matt, so she didn't get a chance to finish hers yet. Sarah's drawers are about half organized. The beds, except for Madeline's, because again, I sent her out of here to do work, is done. Rebecca's and Sarah's are done. And so we're gonna finish up these dressers. We're gonna work on trying to find a place for purses, aren't we? And then we're gonna work on the their special drawers over here. Do that again, Sarah. You are so funny. Okay, so while Madeline and Sarah were working on their dressers, Rebecca got to go take a shower. And now her and I are going to work on her special keepings drawer and get it cleaned and organized out, right?
Hey!
Do you like your monkey jammies?
Yeah.
I like your monkey jammies.
They're warm.
Alright, so let's get this drawer cleaned out because wow, it is really full right now.
Yeah. Out of the stuff that isn't even from this week.
Wow. I'll take you back over there in a minute and we do a review of the whole room. But they have finished all of their organizing, all of their drawers. They were really good with it. Here's a fun one for us. So, Madeline's right-handed, Sarah's left-handed and crawling under my tripod. Ah! And Rebecca is ambidextrous. And I am right-handed. So, I fold laundry a certain way, but it's backwards for Sarah and Rebecca because they think more left-handed. So is that a problem in your house? Let me know below if that's actually a problem in your house. Madeline is working on her safekeeping drawer. Rebecca's working on hers. And then Sarah is working on hers. And I have a garbage bag for what we're throwing away because sometimes trash ends up in them. And she's going to put her money in her piggy bank. And then Sarah's going to work on it for 1 more minute while she waits for the hot water to heat back up. And then she is going to take her shower while Madeline finishes her drawer. Wow, it went fuzzy again.
It's my #1 candle for my first birthday.
Yes, it is.
Oh, it's got that caterpillar.
I'm gonna use it for my kids.
Huh?
Also, while they're doing that, I am watching Homeschool Grammy on my phone. Let me double check and make sure that is her name. Yeah, so I am watching this while the kids are doing their drawer and I'm helping them out, but I have this playing and watching as well. If you're not subscribed to her and you do homeschooling, you should definitely check her out. All right, y'all ready?
Yeah.
All right, show me. Sarah's a little excited. All right, so this was a bench that was actually mine when I was 13 and my parents kept it until I got married. And I think it had been about a year after we got married, we pulled it out of my parents' old house on their property. Sarah, close the door, please. The other way. There you go. So we did not redo the closet at all because we actually had organized it before Thanksgiving. We had put all of these sandals. You can see Sarah's cruise sandals in there, except for like 1 pair of flip-flops each that they wear for just like emergencies, or sometimes they wear them around the house. Extra blankets up here. These are some memorable things that they have. And then we organized their clothes. Their clothes are all laid out for tomorrow. If you're interested in seeing our video for like prepping for leaving the house for a day, let me know in the comments below. I really want to know if that's something y'all are interested in. Here is the rest of their clothes. Who did shoes?
Me.
Thank you for doing shoes. It looks really nice. Very nice. They have blackout curtains in their room. And then the first dresser is Rebecca did hers. They're responsible for keeping their own drawers clean and cleaning off the tops of their own dressers. And then the clock stays on top of Rebecca's. We could stretch it over to Madeline's, but Rebecca had more room for it. The next dresser is and then Madeline has the wooden dresser, has something hanging out of it. Oh. What is that hanging out of your drawer? Oh, it's a glove. No, Madeline's keeping animals in her drawer.
Oh no! My secret identity!
I'm a superhero! So rich! I mean, she's got this from Disney, this from Disney, this from Disney.
Because we are so not a Disney family. I mean, you know.
Look,
She came as so serious.
Dollywood!
Yeah, Disney's better. Dollywood's okay. Alright, Sarah, show me. I think the lid is off of yours. Yep, your lid is not on right. Here, lift up the other edge of that. See if we can get that centered on there. There we go. Alright, now, this is Sarah's. Did I pinch your fingers? I'm sorry.
This statue is hilarious.
What does it say? I need a kiss to wake me up.
So if we kiss you on the cheek every morning, will you wake up?
Sure.
And the first thing we'll hear every morning, Ruben!
Alright, so this is her dresser, except for the bottom drawer is Rebecca's, because Rebecca only has how many drawers?
3.
3.
I have a glow stick.
And then the other, you have a glow stick you're going to do tonight?
Yeah, it changes colors when you shake it. Oh, we can't
Cool.
pop it. Yeah,
We'll do it tonight.
it's so hard.
Their other blackout curtain is here. I did hem it up to where it wasn't all the way down the floor. So I may eventually do the 3 bunk bed, but for now I really like it as it is. Rebecca, we did Rebecca this way at first because she was so little, she was afraid of heights. So this puts her closer to the floor, but she still has like the same size and thickness mattress as the other two do. It just doesn't look like it because theirs is actually in their bed more. We did have to replace the boards that were under theirs with a thicker board for both of theirs, but we got that to work. And then Sarah has Moana stickers in her little cubby and all of her pigs and ladybugs and pandas. And then Madeline is up here. And then they have a bunk bed with stairs, which also means that we haven't found a place for the purses yet, so they're still sitting on the edge of the bed. And then the only thing I hate about this bed is that like these boards, hi Chubby. These boards were not built very well on here. They were already done when we put the bed together in here. Going out, Chubby. These are their safekeeping drawers. The bottom is Rebecca's, Sarah's, Madeline's, and then this is their gloves and hat drawer. Well, thanks everybody for watching.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Bye.